market health check adjustment for August 12th. Let's take a look at the speed run. Alcoa sold off. Additional rejection. Apple, strong vote up. Held support, strong vote up, all-time high. Amazon, same thing. All the techs were doing that today. Caterpillar is holding support after this excursion. That's a buy. Cliff. Materials lagged a little bit today. Still above the dragon. Viable opportunity at 6. Diamonds solid today, above. Everything's sloping up. Looks good. The market can't lose. It's got Trump and Pence or Biden and Harris. 0 threats to the powers that be. So the market loves this. The equity class is locked in and safe, so it's all systems go. Devon Energy, solid. Emerging markets, lagging, but slightly favorable. The inverse energy creeping up slightly, dangerous. Japan, crushing it, all-time high. Mexico, ready to buy some more. Brazil, critical state, ready to break in either direction. Below a declining dragon, but it's in nice shape to start a downward swing or an upward swing. Facebook stabilizing, that's probably a buy at 260, aiming for 280. Google, even better than Facebook, just easy, no brainer. Home Depot, crushing it, as we've said from day one. Intel, building out a base here at 49 to 48 with $1 risk. That's a buy on the PSAR flip. Load up Intel. The Russell was cautiously optimistic today. Did not make a new low. Didn't close very well, but it didn't fail. This is more of a tech leaders. And then key consumer discretionary. Coke is nice. Kodak, pure speculation, down below 10 now. There's people really suffering on that one. Microsoft, solid tech, buying it at the Bollinger Band mean, can't go wrong. That's actually on sale. Nikola is holding up pretty well. This is the sell-off when they released the shares to the public, and the public started buying them at here. I think this is a buy. Nucor did better than Alcoa. Not bad. Nvidia went in the chip wars. Good to go. You can just buy that. Clean energy was good. Solid upward. Silver held support. I still think this is a nice defensive play. You got to be thinking about accumulating some silver down at this level for the next run. Virgin Galactic, all of the joy is gone, but this is the last place that it held support, so I'm now going to become a buyer down in this region around Z-1. But if it collapses, I'm short here, so this is a critical state. Par excellence, Simon Property Group. Built a nice base, has held support, starting to ramp up. I like that. That's an automatic buy on a new high tomorrow. Let's see. Triple Tech, awesome. Treasuries at a critical state at Z-1. The last time it was here, it had a nice run from 165 to 175. If if you're a long-term buyer of treasuries, it's starting to look attractive. TQs were even better than TECL. Tesla just knocked it out of the park today. The resumption of the tech leaders. Tesla's the bellwether, and up we go. Twitter, stabilized, solid tech. I like it for the long term, and it's cheap at 37. Earl slowly grinding up. Volatility declining and declining. The market loves certainty, and Kamala Harris was the safest corporate VP you could imagine. The election just became completely irrelevant now. Walmart recovering nicely. I think that's a buy here. Supported fall crossing. Wheaton finding a base. I think if you're looking to accumulate defensive assets, buying around between Bollinger Band Mean and a rising fair value, that's a pretty good price, around 50. Win. Yesterday's joy suffered today. I just don't see it long term. Don't know how they win. U.S. Steel in better shape than Nucor, has more ground to recover. That's a nice base in here. I think you can buy it under 8 with a dollar stop. Materials leading the way up. Energy also not too shabby. Finance sold off. I think that's gonna be at 27 before it's at 23 again. Just feel like this is an opportunity to buy it down here. So I'll be looking at FAS. Tech, cautiously optimistic. Nice place to buy here in a rising dragon with support. Then a breakout above 116 is decisive. XLV just starting the next leg up. Today was a good vote up. Discretionary, rock solid. They're Democrats in charge are going to issue free money from helicopters. XOP, exploration and production, cautiously optimistic, bases in. I'd use the PSAR as my stop. I'd buy any breakout to the upside. Back to Alcoa, and there we are. Thanks, guys. The big winners today, techs of every type. Tesla, triple techs, NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, XLK. Easy. What got smashed? Things that are not going to do well in this economy going forward. Kodak, Win, Virgin Galactic, some of the industrials in there. Yeah, I think Twitter's on sale down here. All right, take good care. We'll see you in the chat room and in the strategy podcast tonight.